Hi, Lise. For this next one, we're going to just show you how to, it's pretty intuitive, but I'll just go over how to work through these pages, how to rearrange the map, how to add pages, etc. So you can see we've already got a few pages on here. And that will probably be your first step, is just building out the overall structure of the thing. That's, I think, what I would recommend, is build out the structure and then worry about adding the stuff to the pages after the fact. So you can see here that when I hover over these, I get some different things. I get a plus to the right-hand side, I get a plus underneath, and that does exactly what you'd think. It will add a page coming off underneath this, when you or to the side of it. So when you click it, it gives you some options. You type in the name of the page. We'll just leave this new page for now, or maybe we'll just see. For individuals, we've got wealth management. So let's add a wealth management page there. And you can, like I said, pick a cover image for these things. It doesn't really matter for right now. This comes later for design, potentially, if we even end up using this. So it honestly doesn't matter. I'm just going to pick empty so that we keep it simple. So now we've got we've got a new page here underneath. You can also use this duplicate tool, which just does it for you a little faster, so that you can just duplicate another page on there. You will notice you need to be careful when you're doing it, because it will copy the sub pages as well. So if we didn't want to do that, we can just check it, and then you see we get a menu down here, and we can say delete. Delete this and one sub page. You'll get a warning every time you delete, but there'll be individualized message potentially on what you're doing. So yes, we want to do that. So there, we've gotten rid of that. You can also, and this can be a handy thing, but it can also be a potentially hazardous thing, you can just drag and move these pages around. The reason I say it can be dangerous is because you just click and hold to move around the whole thing, as you can see here. If you're scrolling through a bunch of stuff and then you accidentally grab on a page and you drag it, you're going to be like, wait, where did that? So yeah, I mean, that's the thing. You just want to make sure that you're grabbing only in the empty space. It does recognize Control-Z, so if you move a page on accident and you don't even remember where it went, you can do a Control-Z and it will put it back where you had it before. So that can be handy. Or Apple-Z, I think, on the Mac. Yeah, I think that is the biggest part of adding these. So yeah, you can add them off to the side, you can add them below. Even if you get it wrong, obviously you can drag it where you need it to be. Yeah, I think we'll go ahead and make that one done right here. This one is just about doing the structure, and then I'll do a third short one here on actually adding content and dealing with the actual pages themselves.